dealership performance. Everyone I have was accurate right out of the box and reliable ever since. Their company motto is made in America or not made at all. They have a lifetime warranty, family-owned business, and these folks are true patriots who give back to our military, our vets, our first responders, sick kids, you name it. They support gun safety, and they support our Second Amendment. So if you're in the market for a high-quality, American-made firearm, just go to henryusa.com. You get their free catalog, listed dealers, and free decals. henryusa.com. You'll love this.
Hayward, North 880 at Whipple, a two-car crash, second lane from the right. You're backed up all the way from Alvarado Niles and mixed in there at Tennyson. A second crash still on the right-hand shoulder. Somebody lost a ladder in Walnut Creek, North 680 at Rudgear Road. It's a 6-foot ladder in the right lane. That's your traffic. I'm Brian Drake.
This report is sponsored by Mattress Firm. Mattress Firm's Black Friday sale is here to help you get the sleep you need this season. Get a king bed for a queen price and save up to $700 on select mattresses from top brands. Plus, get a free adjustable base with qualifying purchase. Shop in stores or at mattressfirm.com. This report is sponsored by S&G Carpet. Since 1948, S&G's offered affordable quality and grown into one of America's best family-owned flooring companies, featuring the area's largest selection of flooring. Go to sgcarpet.com for the showroom nearest you, or to have their mobile showroom come to you.
Give the gift that's hard to wrap, but easy to give. The STIHL Holiday Gift Guide has outdoor power tools and more for everyone on your list. Visit your local STIHL dealer or go online to stihlusa.com/gift guide.
Edward Brown here to tell you about our new show on KSFO on Saturdays at 6 a.m. The Real Estate Mastermind Live, a radio show for real estate investors who want to learn from different leading industry experts. Learn how to raise more capital, close bigger deals, scale your own portfolio, and more. Hosted by me, Edward Brown, Investor Relations at Pacific Private Money, along with Seti Gershberg and Jay Tannenbaum, the owners of Scottsdale Real Estate Investments. Join us every week on the Real Estate Mastermind Live at 6 a.m. on KSFO every Saturday. You won't want to miss it.
I'm Rick Edelman. Every week I give you the information you need about the 5 personal finance topics that matter most. Listen to my show, The Truth About Your Future with Rick Edelman. Technology's changing everything.